Sound like somebody's clapping. First and foremost, thanks everybody for subscribing. Hey, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another episode on the channel. As you see, I don't know if you can see it, but it's cold out here in Maryland. It's about 23, 24 degrees right now. I'm in the garage right now, about to start the video off because I got a bunch of good stuff to tell you guys. But before we get started on this video, thanks everybody for subscribing to the channel. Thanks everybody for keeping up with the builds and all that good stuff. And just overall, man, thanks for showing your boy some love, because you don't even got to be keeping up with my station. You don't even got to like my vids. You don't even have to subscribe to my channel, but you guys do. You guys show love. And you guys always comment. I always see different comments on my videos, extra knowledge added on to the videos. And hey, man, that's what it's about, man. Just sharing the knowledge. Trying new things with the builds and stepping away from the normal modifications on these cars. As far as pretty much just doing your own thing with your car, man, instead of just following everybody else's builds and putting the same parts in your car that you see everybody else on, that you see everybody else has on their car. I like to just do my thing totally different. That's why my SC300 is built the way it is. That's just how it goes on this station. And like I said, you know, thanks everybody for checking your boy out. Much love, man. So before we get it started though, can I get a hug? Can I big hug for Big Grizzly? Big hug, y'all. See that? You couldn't even avoid that. You just hugged it. You just hugged it in. So the main reason why I'm really excited about this video today, even though it's cold in here right now, we got a new build for the channel. Yes, I went and got another car. I got another car. I was supposed to actually get a truck, but the deal was so good that landing in my lap with this new car, man. Well, it's a used car, but new to me car. I really couldn't pass up the offer. Like, I just couldn't pass up the deal just because it was a good deal. Shout out to you, brother. My brother, he hooked me up with the car. Couldn't ask for anything more, man. Perfect price. The car is more so a fixer-upper. It's not that bad off though. It's not that bad off. Before you think I got a lemon and all that good stuff, well, time will tell if it's a lemon or not. But hey, you know what it is with my channel. We gonna put that thing together if it is. But yeah, I'm gonna show you a little quick couple things real quick in here, and then we could go out here, jump in this car. We go up to my small little lot that I do my videos in, because we're gonna need some space to do a walk around on the car, because that's mainly what this video is about. It's just a walk around and to tell you guys welcome to 2022, y'all. We made it, bro. Just want to run a couple things down to you as far as with the SC300 build. The SC300 is running perfectly. Remember a couple videos ago we got it tuned. It's running perfect. Only problem I'm having with the car, to be completely honest with everybody, is my driver's side tire has a slow leak. I think the seal or the valve stem may be bad in it, and my valve cover gasket on the exhaust side of the engine is actually leaking. So I just got a small oil leak. It's nothing major at all. The car has been parked just because the weather here in Maryland has been horrible as far as snow, and I just been working like crazy lately, so I really wasn't able to even get out in the snow these last couple times of snow. But we're gonna get there, y'all. But yeah, I pretty much I just want to show you guys a quick look-see of the actual motor that we lost on the dyno the first time. We finally got the pistons out. The block is just pretty much completely stripped down and ready to send out to the machine shop, because we're going to try to get a built motor going in the SC300. I'm not completely in the rush to do this built motor thing with forged internals, mainly because there's nothing wrong with that engine in the car right now. So we're going to slow roll that one. I can keep you updated as far as the actual progress of the motor, but I can't put that motor together myself. I have to get that done at a machine shop. So only thing I'll be doing with the new motor is putting it together as far as head gasket and putting the cylinder head and all that on. As far as installing the pistons and everything, I can't do it just because I can't. I don't have the machines to do that. So I just try to keep up with the progress with that, but it's still a lot of other stuff that's got to get done to the SC, so don't trip. But I just want to show you these pistons real quick and see, like, I just want to show you guys how bad it was. I know in the last video a little while ago I actually showed it, but to actually pull a piston out and actually see the real damage, in fact, I could sit this right here, back here. As far as the real damage, the crazy part about it was, the block wasn't even messed up. The stuff that was on a cylinder walls was actually pieces of piston. So that's perfect. I still may have to get the block home, but probably, you know, a couple millimeters or so. Like, it's not even that bad. Like, I'm not gonna unwrap the block right now, but I'm gonna show you this piston real quick so we can go get some heat. It's freezing in here. I can't cut the heat on because you're not gonna be able to hear me talk once I cut the heat on. But if you look at that, this is cylinder number 5. Look at that. I'm just amazed. Look at that. I'm amazed that the car actually started back up so I can get it in my driveway with this. I heard a lot of noise when I started up. That was just mainly because it was just a bunch of metal stuff and everything in the cylinder. But yeah, it looks horrible, right? It looks horrible. We sent that joint. Sent it to the moon, baby. But yeah, like I said, nothing's wrong with the SC at all right now. It's just parked up right now just because I've been putting a lot of extra hours in at work. So I don't want to talk you guys' heads off, because I hope you guys are excited as me to go check out the new car. The new car to me. Let's get to it, y'all. Grab my phone. I don't need any tools or anything. So let's go out here, get a good walk around. This is actually my real first time actually getting a good look-see at the car, because when I got the car, it started raining. Like, the car was parked up, snowing and all that, and then it started raining and what was messed up. Let's go look at the car. I see you guys outside. All right, guys, so it's the SC. We got it covered up because it's about to snow again, actually tomorrow night, but I already got the car cut on, so it's a good look. Take it up to the spot. It's just too cold out here right now for it to be messing around. So we're gonna actually hold up, me close it. We're gonna take it up to the car wash, but there's a couple of things wrong with the car. For one, it's dirty as crap in here. Just a mess, bro. Long way to go. I just wanna get everything captured for real before we start doing any type of work on this. That's the main purpose of this video, I guess, to keep track of everything. Don't mind the beeping. There's something wrong with like either the brake booster, or I need to actually bleed the brakes, because the brakes are like a little squishy. But I highly believe the brake booster in this car is actually gone up. So I'm gonna try to bleed the brakes first, you know, because that's the cheapest thing to do, and then we're gonna go from there as far as changing the brake booster out. Hopefully it's not the brake booster, but yeah, it's very annoying. Yes, I still have the Burgundy GS. That's how it stands now with the Infinity wheels. Look at that tuck in that back, boy. Look at that. So yeah, let's get up here, get this video done so I can get back in this house, and I'm gonna go to sleep because it's like 7 something in the morning, y'all. Let's get it. Crap, look at that. Yeah. 17 degrees. Alright, finally made it to the car wash. Sorry about the beeping, y'all. I know it's annoying me, so I know it might annoy you guys. So, made it to the car wash. And, oh yeah, I want to show you guys that. Shit, the water's running. Yeah, so. Hey, oh, it's squeaky. It sound like Debo pulling up in this mug. It sound like Debo pulling up in this bitch, bro. Yeah, you gotta do my 40 food. Oh, rest in peace. Oh shit. Yeah, bro. So I usually, yeah, if I leave the car running, I usually roll my window down just in case. But I mean, overall, it's a good car. I mean, it's rough around the edges. You can't expect too much from used cars. So I give you guys this walk around look-see. It's looking really bad in the sun. These are coming off. We're getting rid of those ASAP. It's rough around the edges, like I said. And the hood latch is broke, so I can't really hit it. I took the strap off that I had. It was a strap on it holding it down, but I took it off. Didn't really know no better, but just, you know, rough around the edges, man. It drives crazy smooth though. Like, you will be amazed. It drives crazy smooth. You know, so just more so cosmetic issues with the car. Let's just say that. Small mechanical issues, nothing major at all. But yeah, so just like I said, cosmetics. So we're doing the walk around together. This is like my first time really getting a look-see at the car, like I said. So got a rust stain, little dent. I sand that down. I sand all that down myself. Probably wind up replacing this back bumper just because it's thick chips missing. So, and the best part about these, this color is always at the salvage yard. So I should really luck up pretty good with like body parts for this. So most of the parts that could come off the car, I take off. I sand this down too. Yeah, most of the parts that come off the car, I take off the car and replace. And yeah, pretty much go from there. So there you have it, the GS400 VVTi. I always wanted one for the longest since I had my SC400. I just didn't know that when I had my SC400, that was my first Lexus, so I didn't even know the difference between the VVTi and the non-VVTi. And back then when I got my 400, like, I really couldn't afford a VVTi 400, like a GS 400. This is a lot back then. I wasn't really making that much money. But yeah, like I said, overall it's a nice looking car, man. I love it so far, even though, you know, it's rough, but it's a good car, man. I think I really made out. It looked like the headlights are different colors, bro. Look at that. That may just be me. What y'all think? I like the glasses different colors. Yeah, that's definitely darker. But yeah, man, overall, man, nice car. Nice car, man. These will be for sale. If you see they pretty rough, I'm not even gonna really ask for too much or nothing for these at all. So if you're local to Maryland, holla at me. Come take these things out my hand. They don't leak air at all. Tires are huge. So if you're a lowered car, these tires aren't gonna work from you, but it's crazy because the tires are actually fresh. But yeah, man. So we're gonna get back in the beepy. And then it is a platinum. It's a platinum too, I'm gonna show you. So platinum too, so I think like with a lot of platinums in the GS400s, I think it's like the wheels are different and the perforated seats, the seats with the holes in it. Like, I think that's like the difference with the platinum and like the regular GS. So it's rough, bro, but I thought this seat was, oh, it is a little messed up. It ain't too bad. I'll probably get that fixed. I like these seats. We most likely gonna change them out though. Hey, it is what it is. Yeah. It's nice though, I really like it. I keep saying it though like a little kid, right? I really like it. But yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. I'm about to shoot back into the house. Might grab something to eat on the way in. Not 100% sure what I'm gonna do today with this. I might work on it. I mean, it's just like really cold. I just don't want to start working on it and stuff start breaking. That's the big problem with temperatures like 35 degrees and lower. Bolts and all that stuff start breaking usually when we work on the car. So, but we'll make it happen. But yeah, as always, thanks for checking out the station, y'all. Try to keep up with all the videos if you can by hitting that subscribe button, and comment in the section if you want. Comment. Drop a comment in the comment section if you got any questions about the GS. But we got plans for this thing. So I want all you guys who usually keep up with me, remember what this thing looked like, and give me like another month or so, and it'll have a way totally different look, and some nice performance mods added on, y'all. But until next time I catch up with y'all, it's like burr out here, y'all. Peace out.